Right, පුතා. අයිබෝන් හැමෝටම එහෙනම් අපි අද start කරනවා. We are going to start the tree diagram and probability lesson. Especially we covered the tree diagram and grid. Okay. So I have shared the tutorial with you. Uh, Now you can move to the tutorial. So I am discussing 8 questions today. So you can see the 8 questions. So this is very important lesson because you know that we have 10 marks questions, and normally we have seen in paper 1. Okay. Sometimes it's there in the paper 2 also in some years, but mostly we have seen in paper 1 as a probability question. Okay. Right. So here I cover up different categories questions, so you can see the questions very well. So if you can do these type of questions, it would be a great opportunity you to complete the questions in this upcoming O-level exam. Okay. Right. So this is the first question I have shared with you. Right. So in these questions types, we have some dependent events and independent events. So the probability being examined in the exams with respect to these two scenarios, like the dependent and independent events. Right. There, be careful by drawing the grid line and tree diagram and understand these situations clearly in the given scenario. Okay. Right. So the first questions deal with, in a certain cattle farm, there are 2 male animals and 3 female animals. It is decided to give 2 randomly selected animals to Nimal and Sunil. Right. Represent the relevant sample space for the of the event, selecting 2 animals randomly in the given grid. Male animals are denoted by M and female animals are denoted by F. Okay. Right. So I draw this grid line. So in the exam, they may have drawn the grid line and we have to complete it. M1, M2 male animals, and here we have 3 female animals, F1, F2, F3. Then here the animal received by Nimal, and here the animal received by Sunil. Right. So here also M1, M2, F1, F2, and F3. Right. So the sample is space to be marked on the both axes. Right. So now I will explain the question. Represent the relevant sample space by the event selecting 2 animals randomly in the given grid. Male animals are denoted M and females are denoted as F. Right. See the way of doing it. Right. So if I give here, imagine in the male animals, they have labeled as in the male animal M1 on his body, right? And here M2. So male animals, but 2 male animals. M1 saying and tag, we apply a tag on it, and M1 and the male next one M2. Likewise for female animals, F1, F2, F3. Right. සමහර ඉස්සර සත්තුන්ගේ ගොඩක් තිබුණා හරක් ගිහිම අර ගම්වල මනුස්සෝ නල්ලියනවා යකඩ කුරාරක් කරලා නල්ලියනවා සීතා ගාමිනී එහෙම හරකගේ නල්ලියලා තියෙන ඕනර්ෂිප් එකට හරි ඒ වගේ similarly think that we have name M1 and M2 for the male animals and F1 F2 F3. Right. So now if we select M1 for Nimal, right? So that means the same animal is not available for Sunil, right? If M1 is taken by Nimal, so M1 is not available for the Sunil, right? So that is the understanding. Right. So now if M1 is taken by Nimal, no chance to take it by Sunil. So that is not available, right? That incident cannot happen. So M1 is taken by Nimal, but M2 can be taken by Sunil. So that is available, right? So M1 taken, then F1 is there, right? So likewise, this is being filled. Okay, Right. Now, M2 is taken, then M1 available, but M2 is not available for Sunil. Right. So if one taken, so if one is available for Nimal, but if one is not available for Sunil, then F2 not available for Sunil if we select by Nimal. F3 select by Nimal, then F3 is not available for Sunil. So this is how the arrangement, right? මෙන්න මේ diagonal එක through empty වෙනවා. ඔක තමයි exam එකේදී අඳුරගන්නේ. Whether it's totally completed, the window, right? It is empty through the diagonals, right? Understand the scenario, right? උදට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕක වැරදුනොත් මුළු ගානම වර්ධින්න පුළුවන්. ඒ නිසා මම හිස් වෙනවද complete වෙනවද කියලා understand කරගන්න. Right? Okay? So now here, as per the case, this is the sample space. Hands up those who got the sample space correctly. Hands up those who got the sample space. Right. Okay. Everyone must do these questions, huh? Only here's Puta. I will explain again. See there. Right. Here they are saying there are two male and female animals. It is decided to give two randomly selected animal to Nimal and Sunil. Right. ඒතකොට මේ දෙන්නට animals ලා දෙන්නෙක් දෙනවා. ඒතකොට අපි M1 කියන animals Sunilට දුන්නොත් Nimalට දුන්නොත් this is Nimal axis. So that is not available to give for Sunil. So that is why this is blank. This incident cannot happen. Right. So but if M1 given to Nimal, but it's available M2 to Sunil, right? Same animal cannot give for both. That's the understanding. So that means M1 not now no there, M2 no there, F1 no there, F2 no there, F3 no there. Same animal cannot to be given to the both people, right? අන්න ඒක understanding, right? උතර තේරුම් ගන්න. උතර exam එකේදී අපිට කියනවාද මේක පුතා මැද හිස් වෙනවා කියලා? නෑ. We have to identify the case, right? Okay, now the questions there. Mark the event one selected animal being a male and the other selected one being a female, right? Here they are not specifically highlighting Nimal's animals or Sunil's animals. That means having both chances, one to be male and other to be female. So which case Nimal taken male and Sunil taken female, and optional Sunil can take male and Nimal female. However, the case to be mixed, right? Not having the same element, the same animals. So I prefer here M1 taken and here F2. So this is the case. So it represents Nimal taking male animals and Sunil taking females animals. The other case, we can select Nimal taking male and Sunil taking females, right? So what it says, Nimal taking females and Sunil taking males, right? So these are the two cases, right? But this is under one case. Why? One taken male and another taken female. They are not specifically saying that Nimal and Sunil, no. Right. So now you have to combine these two into one shapes, like you can connect these, right? As indicating here. So this is how I enclose the all the events. Right. Now come and one being female in the grid and find its probability. This is how you find the probability, right? You have to find the particular event contained incidents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the certain event we are discussing, the event one being male and other being female. So that is the event. So what are the outcomes related to that event? How many 12s are there? So that to be divided by the total sample space. So the sample space is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 5. When the diagonal is empty, right, you can easily take out 5 into 4 multiply, then 20. Or you can count all the cross marks. So that is 12 upon 20. Okay, you can simplify it as by 4, 3, 4, 5. So 3 upon 5. Right, so that's the probability. Understood? Right, if any questions, you are free to ask. Then complete the given tree diagram by marking the relevant probabilities which is drawn to represent the animals received by Nimal. Right. Then animals. So that is the first question. Is that okay to you? If any questions, you can ask. Okay. Right. So that part is done. Now we are moving to the tree diagram. This is the way of getting the questions in the paper also, right? Complete the given tree diagram by marking relevant probabilities, which is denoted represent animal received by animal. Animal received by animal. Now they are discussing, right? So I will draw here. So this is the animal received by animal, right? This is animal receive animals received by animal. Totally, I write animal, right? And here male, female, right? How many male and female animals? Totally take the total number of animals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, count how many males animals. There are 2. So the being animal male is 2 upon 5. Then female is rest, that is 3 upon 5. Always remember the sum of these two branch is 1. Right? One you found a probability of a certain branch, then the other one is the one subtract this one, easily taken out, right? The Nimal's probability is done, right? So that what they are saying, Nimal probability, right? That part is okay. Then among the 5 animals in the cattle farm, only 2 females animals, 5 animals in cattle farm, only 2 female animals can provide milk. Extend the above tree diagram to represent the event that the animal received by animal uh, can be able to provide milk or not uh, milk or not, and find the probability that the animal received by animal can be able to provide milk, right? එතකොට making among the 5 animals in the cattle farm, only 2 female animals can provide milks, right? මෙතන පොඩි ගැටලුවක් කියනවා common sense එකෙන් හිතන්න ඕනේ, right? So here male animal taken and female animal taken. හරි. The milk provided by the female animals, right? So this branch to be extended, right? Okay. Here, if we taken male animals, right, we cannot take the milk, right? Then that branch to be not to be extended. Galloping, right? So I extend this one, right? Provide milk and then not providing milk, not providing milk, not provide milk. Right, what is the probability here? Providing milk. So here we have females animals 3 upon 5, right? Then provide milk is only out of these 3 female animals, they provides 2, right? Milk provide by 2, right? එතකොට milk provide කරන්නේ female animals ලා. එතකොට females ලාගෙන් කී දෙනායිද milk provide කරන්නේ 2. So 2 upon the female animals are 3. Okay, then not provide milk is 1 upon 3. Right, this branch not to be discussed, because if we take milk animal, male animal, it's exactly not providing milk. That's the probability is 1. Okay, so here this is the way of doing it. Okay, then we will see what the probability that the animal received by animal can be able to provide milk. So provide milk means this branch, right? So that to be there, taking female animal and providing milk. Okay, so this branch to be follow up. So you have to run through that branch, then you have to multiply the probability together. Why? Based on the independency of the event. Okay, so you multiply being a female animal 3 upon 5 and being milk provide 1 is 2 upon 3. So just multiply these two together, then 3 being cancelled, then 1 into 2 upon 5. This is very good questions, because in some papers we have seen, right, we have seen some branches are not extended, right, as per the case, right? ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. ළමයි සමහරු පුරුද්දට නිකන් කටපාඩමින් වගේ මේක කොහොම ෆීල් කරනවා, right? ඒක මේක ඉතාලම හොඳ question එකක් ඔළුවට දාගන්න. Right, if any questions you are free to ask. Tell me. If any doubts, you can ask. Right. If you have completed it, so I can move to the next one. Okay, so right, we will move to the second question. ඉතාම වැදගත් පුතා මේ ප්‍රශ්න ඒ නිසා හැමෝම මේ අවසාන දවස් කිහිපේ මේකට join වෙලා ඒකෙන් benefit එක ගන්න උපරිමයෙන්, right? දැන් අද මේ probability ගන්න හරියටම set වුණොත්, right, ඒ 10 marks එක confirm වෙනවා. ඔයාලට ඕන ගණනක් හදන්න පුළුවන්. මේක බලන්න මේ ගණන් අට විවිධ ගණන් අටක්, right? හැම තීර එකක්ම cover වෙන ගණන් අටක්, right? මේවා සමහර ඒවා ගොඩක් ඒවා provincial papers වලින් extract කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් මේක ගොඩක් වටිනවා. ඔයාලට මේ මට්ටමේ exam based මට්ටමේ ප්‍රශ්න කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. So now we are discussing question number 2. Nimali and Vimali participate in the game. The wheel shown in the diagram rotates and released so as arrowhead stops against the number. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are right. Show in the square net the sample space of number that can be obtained by Nimali and Vimali. Right. So now this is the grid. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the Vimali's number. And here we have the Nimali's number. Nimali's number. That is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now argue by yourself whether these same events can be happen in the both cases for Nimali and Vimali. Argue yourself, common sense, right? So what they are doing, they are rotating a wheel, and Nimali sees what his number, what her number, and Vimali also see what her obtained number. So can't we take Nimali 1 and Vimali 1, same number, can't we take? Yes, we can. right? අපි හිතන්න රවුමක් කරකනවා. නිමාලිටත් අංකයක එන්න පුළුවන්, විමාලිටත් අංකයක එන්න පුළුවන්. right? මොකද එයා අංක එක ආව කියලා එයා ගලවගෙන අරන් යන්නේ නැහැ නේ වීල් එකෙන් අංක එක. ඒක වීල් එකේ තියෙන අරයටත් ඒ ඔප්ෂන් එකම තියෙනවා. අන්න එහෙම ආගියු කරන්න හැම විටම. මේ ඉවෙන්ට් එක ආයෙ පාරක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? මැද හිස් වෙනවද? කම්ප්ලීට් වෙනවද? ඕක හරියටම අඳුර ගන්න. අනිත් එක තමයි පුතා, right, මේ ක්වෙක්ෂන් එක ඔයා කරන්න ඕනේ පැන්සලින්, right? මොකද grid line එක ඇඳලා දුන්නොත් exam එකේ බොහෝ විට ඇඳලා දෙනවා. ඒතකොට ඔයා මේක වැරදිලා මැද මාක් කරොත් teacher එක ආවට මකන්න බැරි වෙනවා පැනින් ඇඳොත්. ඒ නිසා පැන්සලින් අඳින්න මේ විශේෂයෙන් first paper එකේ මාක් කරන ඒවා diagram, tree diagram ඒවා වඩා හොඳයි. මොකද නැත්නම් මැද ඒවා මකන්න බැරි වෙනවා. Right, now we are moving to this question. So they are saying that taking number show in this planet sample space that can be obtained by Nimali and Vimali. So one is possible for both 1, 2, 1, 3, right? So the same events can be happen. So no blank, right? So we can continue it further. Okay, we can continue it. Right. If any questions, you can ask. Okay, so that is sample space. So if the reason for the winner is to getting an odd number, denote the winning by both of them in the square net. Winning both of them in the square net, find the probability also. Then namadin unknown, right? So if we imagine that taking Vimali's win means Vimali has to take odd number. So I marked Vimali's win. Vimali can take 1, right? Sorry, this is the win by I take. Vimali can take 1, right? 1. This is Vimali. Vimali wins. And Vimali can take 3. So that also win. And here Vimali can take 5. These are the 3 odd numbers. Okay. To win by the Nimali also to be have right the odd number. Right. So the Nimali to be taken 1. Then here Nimali to be taken 3. And here 5. Right. So these are the incidents that Nimali can win. So both can win means right having intersection of these both elements. So if I mark by element wise, this is intersection and this is intersection, this is intersection. Right. These are the intersection of the two events having winning both. Right. So these are the intersecting events. So the circled one is the events belongs to both are having win, right? Both are having a win. Individual win are by rectangles, right? So what the question says that, see there, if the reason for the winner to getting an odd number denotes the winning by both of them in Iskanet and find right. So how many events to have both win 3, 6, 9? So the probability is that certain number of elements divided by the total sample space. Sample space is 5 into 5, 25. Okay. That is upon 25. Even numbers are shown in white background, right? Even white background, right? So what are the even numbers we have here? 2, 4, and odd numbers we have 1, 3, 5. So even numbers by which color? White background, here white, and here yellow, right? Now we will see to the part 2 question, right? Below shows an incomplete tree diagram when Nimali rotates the wheel to get the same color, some color to have for the event complete. The diagram, Nimali, right? Here the tree diagram given, see there. So Nimali, so now they are mentioning the color. They are not discussing the odd even number, but odd represent a certain color, yellow. Even represent white color. So they are indicating now white color, right, and yellow color. Now see how many white color parts are there for to indicate two even numbers, 2. And here 3 yellow, the yellow parts because 3 odd numbers there. So what is the probability of being white color? Out of 5 parts, 2 are the even numbers. Even number parts are the white color. So 2 upon 5. That is the white color represent. Yellow color represent is the 3 upon 5. Understood? Because 3 odd numbers they are. So means 3 upon 5. Here 2 even number 2 upon 5. Okay. That is first incident. The wheel, when rotated by Vimali, also gets some color. Extend the tree diagram denoting the relevant probability. In a Vimali case, so we can extend for the Vimali. Right. Vimali also having same occasions. මේ rotation එක කවුරු ආවත් පුතා probability වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එයාටත් මේ හැකියාවම තියෙනවා. Right. So Vimali also having same white and yellow background, having same probability. The tree diagram එකෙත් මේ probability එකම මෙතෙන්ට එන්නේ නැති අවස්ථා තියෙනවා. Right. So we are discussing like dependent events. Right. Here it's not case because these are independent events. White and yellow. The probability same 2/5 white and yellow 3/5, 2/5 and 3/5. Okay, so what the question now says, extend tree diagram to relevant probabilities. That's fine. Find the means of the tree diagram probability that least one is a winner denoting the probability. Least one winner. ඉගැන පුතේ අඩුම වශයෙන් විනර් කෙනෙක් ඉන්න ඕනේ. මේකේ විනර් එන්නේ මොනවා වුණාමද ගන්න කියනවා. In the question first say, right, the winner getting odd number. So odd number means which color represent yellow color. Right, yellow color આવුත් තමයි win වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් at least one winner means either both win should be also there. At least one ඔන වචනේ at least one win. So at least one win කියන්නේ එක දිනුමක්වත් එන්න ඕන. එහෙනම් මේකට අයිති වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ කවුද? Both lose in the game. Right? Like winning means having yellow color. So both not winning means having white and white. Except that all other branches here white, yellow represent, and here yellow, white represent, and here yellow, yellow represents. At least one yellow is there out of these three branches. එහෙනම් මේකේ දිග ක්‍රමේ තමයි පුතා මේ yellow එකක් හරි සම්බන්ධ වෙන branches සියල්ල multiply කරලා add කරන්න පුළුවන්. Well, lazy ක්‍රමයට මම හදනවා. So the complement of this event having both game lost, right? So having both game lost, I found white, that is 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5. That gives you 4 upon 25. That is the complement of this event. So how to find the probability of the events? The event plus the complement events probability sum is always 1. මොකද event එක at least being at least one win. Complement එක right, neither win is there. Right. So now how you can find the probability? Easy one. From 1 subtract 4 upon 25. Then that gives you 21 upon 25. Right. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒක අපහසු නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? At least one win හම්බ වෙනවා. මේ branch මේ පාරවල් හතරයි තියෙන්නේ. 4 paths are there. Here 1 path, here's 2 path, here 3 path, and here 4 path. So here you have 3 paths. Just multiply these probabilities and add the probabilities of these 3 paths. Then also you obtain the similar answer 21 upon 25. Okay, you can complete the tree diagram. Right. So these are very important, Putta, right? For the exam. Surely, if you catch up these questions, these 8 questions, right? You will be able to do the exam questions very well, right? Only four more weeks we have, right? 4 days we have, right? So April month totally I am discussing the geometry. You can join with the geometry sessions, right? Throughout the April month, right? Totally I am discussing probability, geometry. Okay, fine. Right, now we are moving to the next question. Question number 3, right? See the question number 3. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න ඕන කෙනෙක් ප්‍රශ්නේ අහන්න දාන්න chat එකට වැඩි කොට දාගන්න. හරි? මේ මාසේ තමයි තමන්ගේ උපරිම කැපැසිටි එක දෙන්න ඕනේ මාසේ. හරිද? අවසාන මාසේ තමන්ගේ එක්සෑම් එකට අවසාන සති 4 යන්නේ නේද? අවසාන දවස් 30 ගෙවිලා යන්නේ. උපරිම මහන්සි වෙන්න ආය මහන්සි වෙන්න ජීවිතේ වෙන කාලයක් නැහැ. O level වෙන්නේ. සමහර maths වෙනුවෙන් මේ මහන්සි වෙන අවසාන අවස්ථාව වෙන්න පුළුවන්. නේ A level stream එකේ maths related subjects නොකරොත් අය කවමදාකවත් මේවා ජීවිතේ මුණ ගැහෙන්නේ නැහැ තමන්ට. ඒ නිසා ඒ හම්බෙච්ච කාලේ උපරිම කැපකිරීම කරන්න මේ සති 4 දැන් අවුරුදුත් වෙනවා ළමයි නිකාං කාලේ නාස්ති කරගෙන නාස්ති වෙන්න එපා. ඒක ලොකුම පාඩුවක්. මොකද දැන් අවුරුද්දත් එක්ක කාලය ගත කරනවා කියන්නේ හරිම රිස්ක් එකක්. ඒ නිසා මේ සති 4 උපරිමයට කැප වෙන්න තියෙන ඕන ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඕන ගැටලුවක් අහන්න. දැන් මගේ පැත්තෙන් මම රිවිෂන් එක පේපර් 2 රිවිෂන් එක කරගෙන ආව හැම දවසකම හැම සතියකම පේපර් 2 එක ගොඩක් දේවල් හැදුනා. ඉස්සරහටත් ඒ ටික කරගෙන යන්න හරියටම මැත්ස් එක අල්ලගන්න මම කියන්නේ solid day එකක් දාන්න බය නැතුව ඕන ප්‍රශ්නයකට ලියන්න පුළුවන් හැකියාව හදාගන්න. Right. So now we are moving to the question number 3. grade 12 students were informed by their teacher to submit the project report within the next 5 days. Submission of the project report with any day of week is an equally likely events, right? A and B group submitted their project reports within any of the 5 days, right? Mark the sample space for the submission of A and B groups project report by denoting X, right? The groups දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එක group එකකට Monday දුන්නාම අර එලාටත් බැරිද Monday දෙන්න group B? Yes, we can, right? So that means totally fill the grid, right? පැහැදිලිද? අන්න එක අඳුර ගන්න ඕනේ. Filling or not filling totally, right? So now as for the case, right, we can identify the grid is filled. So here Monday, Tuesday, the days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday. So that is the submission by group B. And here we have the submission by group B. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Right. This is the submission by group B. Okay, so all the events being completed. You can mark these events totally. Right. So these all events being marked. Okay. Now we can see the board. උතරගාන yellow probability එක කිව්වේ අපි මෙහෙමයි දැන් yellow දහන් දැන් මේ odd numbers වලට. ඒතර odd numbers තුනක් තිබුණානේ. 1 3 5 අනිත් numbers දෙක 2 4. එතකොට yellow පාට වෙච්ච parts තුනක් තිබුණා. white පාට වෙච්ච parts දෙකක් තිබුණා. ඒතර ඔක්කොම events ගන්න අපි බලන්න එපා sample specimen total 5. Out of that, how many yellow colored part? 1, 3, 5 means 3 parts. That is how you got the probability. Yellow 3/5 and here 2/5. Okay, right. So that is the case. Now we are referring to the question. Right. Here mark the event of submission of the project report by both groups within the same day and find its probability. Both group within the same day means if group A Monday, group B also Monday. Here Tuesday, Tuesday. Right, Wednesday, Wednesday. So these are the events through this diagonal. So this is the marking, the same day submission by the group. To right, find its probability. What is the probability? How many events belongs to that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upon the sample space. That is here 5 into 5, 25. When you simplify it, 1 upon 5. That's the part 1 question answer. Then complete the following tree diagram. Assume that Y and N are represent the submission of the project on Monday and not submission of the project report respectively. Monday submission and not submission on Monday. Right. Group A, Group B. Right. So tree diagram relates here. You can have here Monday submission. Here Y means Monday submission and here not submission by Monday. Group A. Right. Monday. Kiyak තියෙනවද දවස් 1යි Monday තියෙන්නේ 1 day out of all 5 weekdays. So 1 upon 5 is submitting on Monday. The not submitting means the complement event. So always the sum of these two equal 1. So it becomes 4 upon 5. Then we have group B. Right. Here Y and Y. N. Here also Y and N. So same probability are there. 1, 5. 1/5, 4/5, 1/5 and 4/5. Right. Submitting on Monday, sub not submitting on Monday. So this is the event. So in your level paper, you are having only 2 extension, right? And 2 branches. In new syllabus, we cannot see 3 branches questions. Okay. So find the probability of submission of the project report on Monday by both groups. Monday by both groups means Y means submitting Monday by group B. Here Y is submitting by Monday on group B. So it shall refer to this part Y and Y. So we have to take the multiplication of that So that means 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5. How you multiply these probabilities? So that based on the independency of the event, right? Independence of the event. Having the both incident happens mean PA intersection B equal PA into PB. That's how you multiply. So all the tree diagram based on this independency, right? So 1 into 1, 1 upon 5 into 5, 25. So that is a probability of this one. Then find the probability of submission of project on Monday at least by a group. At least by a group. Y y acceptable, y unacceptable, y acceptable, n not acceptable. So the easiest way find the n probability means not submitting by both on Monday. So that is 450 450. So 4/5 into 4/5. Then it gives you 16 upon 25. So the event is the complement of that. Then it cover at least one Y, at least one Monday. So how to find the complement of the probability of this event? Like Pn dash, right? That means 1 up minus 16 upon 25. Then you can take the answer 9 upon 25. 9 upon 25. Okay. All right. That's the 9 upon 25. Or otherwise, you can add these three parts, except the NN part, and take the sum of the probabilities of these three branches multiplications. Okay. Are you okay with that one? Any questions up to now? බලන්න මේ ලේසි ක්‍රමය right ඒක follow කරන්න ගොඩාක් multiply කර කර එකතු කරන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ right හරියටම concepts හඳුර ගන්න right so if you have completed it I can move to the next question. So we completed how many questions up to now? Yes, 3 questions been completed. Right. Prashwan, is that okay? So I can give the chance you to unmute yourself. Okay. Right. Now I move to the next question. මේ questions ටික ආයෙම කරත් කමක් නැහැ අපහසුම අය. දැන් ඉස්සෙල්ලා හොඳට අහගෙන ඉඳලා ආයෙ ගෙදරදී මේ ප්‍රශ්නාට කරත් කමක් නැහැ. හොඳ අවබෝධයෙන් නැතු උත්තර මතකෙ නෙමෙයි. හැම වෙලේටම maths වල මම කියන්නේ common sense එක අවබෝධය ගාන හොඳට තීරුම් ගැනීම හොඳට ගන්න. නැතු කලින් හදපු ගණන් මතක් කරලා ඊ කැසුරින් ගන්න යන්න එපා. උනහම අපි හිර වෙනවා. මේ ගාන හැටියට බලන්න මේක ආයි හිස් වෙනවද නැද්ද? ආයි මෙයාම ඉන්නවද නැද්ද? ඔය කේස් එක අඳුර ගන්න. මේක හොඳ ගණන් ටිකක් තියෙනවා අවසානට බලන්න. Right. So now we are moving to the question number 4. So I can show you the question. A bag contains, right, a bag contains 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. Right. A ball is taken from the bag at random, right? And then another ball is taken out without replacement. Underline that word in exam. Exam එකේ දෙක හොඳට highlight කරගන්න පෑනෙන් හරි pencilෙන් හරි ඒක ඇඳ ගන්න, right? Without replacement. එතකොට ඒක ආය අපහු දාන්නේ නැත, right? So if I take a certain ball, the same ball is not available for the second incident. So that is the understanding. After its college recorded, complete the tree diagram, right? Then අපි බලමු ඔන්න tree diagram එකක් තියෙන්නේ first row, right? See there. So first row, and what are the cases here? Red and blue. And second row, same, we have red and blue, red, blue, and here also we have red, blue. Okay, so The bag contained 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. So out of total balls, 8 out of that, how many reds are there? 5. Then how many blues are there? 3 upon 8. So that's the probability. ඔන්න මේක මේ විදිහටම හිතන්න. මෙතකොට පැටලෙන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් පළවෙනි පාර ගත්ත බෝලේ ආයෙ දාන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට මෙන්න හිතන විදිය probability එක උත්තර අල්ලගන්න. Take here means but I fill these branches in that case, these branch and this branch. And when you write order, follow the same order. RB order you wrote. Here also RB. Here also RB. Don't mix it. Here RB and here BR and here BR. Likewise, don't mix. Same order. RB, RB, RB. Right. So now 580 is the probability. Now in thinking that. Now first ball is red. Then second ball being red probability. So first ball red means you taken out red ball. A certain red ball is taken out. So now you feel that red balls, they are 5, but you taken red now. So how many red balls are there for the second? 1 is subtracted. 1 is less than that. So 5 now red ball 4. Right. Red ball out mean total ball also. We had 8. Right. Now total ball also 1 less than that. So that means total ball 7. So ළමයි පාඩම් කරනවා මෙතන පහනම් එක දැම්මේ නැත්තම් මෙතනින් එකක් අඩු කරන්න යටිනුත් එකක් අඩු කරන්න. හැබැයි වෙන concept එකක් ඔලුවට ගන්න. Right. එහෙම කමක් නැහැ සමහර වෙලාවට හැබැයි ඊට වඩා maths කියන subject එක තියෙනවා ඊට වඩා දෙයක් ඒකත්. Right. So one red, then one red is subtracted as well as total is subtracted 1. Total එකකුත් අඩු වෙනවා. හරිනේ ඔය branch එකයි පුරවන්නේ. මේක ආය argue කරන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? So the sum of these two always 1. 4 upon 7 there. So to have 7 upon 7, here 3 upon 7. Right. ඔන්න දැම්ම. එහෙනම් ඊළඟට මෙතන අපි argue කරන්නේ one ball is blue. Then now second drone, one blue is taken out. So blue 3 there, now blue 1 is subtracted, then blue 2, total balls also 1 is taken, then 7 there. So no need to argue for this branch. 2 upon 7, එහෙනම් ඉතුරු ටික 1 වෙන්න 7 upon 7 නේ ඔක්කොම එහෙනම් 5 upon 7. චරයි ඔය විදිහටම යන්න ගාන අය වරදින්නේ නැහැ. Find the tree diagram. බලන්න ළමයි ගිරව් වගේ පාඩමේ මේකම මේකට එනවා කියලා තමයි යන්නේ. හැබැයි එහෙම නැති අවස්ථාව උන් තරම් තියෙනවා අපි කිව්වේ dependency events. මේ දොන මේක ගන්න එක මත ඊළඟ probability එක ඉත් වෙන්න උනා. Right. පැහැදිලිනේ කතාව? Right. So that is a tree diagram. මේ වගේ tree diagram එනවා. Right. Using tree diagram, find probability of that first ball being red. First ball being red only they are asking. First ball being red is, this is the starting point. So first ball red, then second ball may be red. That's fine. Then first ball red, second ball may be blue. That is also fine. But you cannot move to these 2 branches, 2 paths. Only 4 paths are there in the tree diagram. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So first ball red means having, this is the probability red, first ball red, other one probability, first one red, second one blue. Right. So red means multiply 5 upon 8 into 4 upon 7. That gives you 20 upon 56. Right. Here red blue means 5 upon 8 into 3 upon 7. That you given 15 upon 56. Now the having both these sum of these two, 20 upon 56 plus 15 upon 56. That gives you 35 upon 56. At least one of the balls being red. At least at least one of the ball is being red. Aduma gane එකක් red වීම. අඩුම තරම එකක් red වෙන පාත් ටික බලන්න. red දෙකම red වුණත් අවුලක් නැහැ. At least red B red B මේක නේද වෙන්න බැරි. එහෙනම් මේක අතහැරලා ඉතුරු සියල්ල. Right. එහෙනම් right. හොඳට බලන්න. Which one? That was the පුතා අගනයි. First ball red වීම කියන්නේ මෙන්න පාරවල් හතර බලන්නකෝ මේ මම ලිව්වොත් මෙතන තියෙන්නේ RR මේ පාර කියන්නේ RB. මොන branches 4යි එන්නේ. මේ පාර BR. Right? මේ පාර BB. Right. එතකොට first ball red වීම කියන්නේ මෙයාත් හරි මෙතන first ball blue. ඒකේ probability එක කියන්නේ මේ පාරේ probability multiply කරලා ගන්න මෙයා. R කියන්නේ 58 into 47. මෙතන එන්නේ 58 into 37. මේ branches ටික දකින්න. මේ පාරයි. ඔය දෙකේ එකතුව ගන්න. පළවෙනි person. හරිනේ? Right. Right. ඊළඟ එක බලන්න. ඊළඟ එක කියන්නේ at least one red ball. එහෙනම් මම අර හොයපු ලේසි ක්‍රමය බලන්නකෝ. red ball එකක්වත් එන්නේ නැති අවස්ථාව ගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ both are having blue. Right. PBB ගන්න. එතකොට මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ? 3 upon 8 into 2 upon 7. මේකේ probability එක හොයාගන්න. 6 upon 6. හරි. එහෙනම් ඕක හැරුණාම ඕකේ කම්ප්ලිමන්ට් එක නේද? at least one red ball. දෙකම blue නොවෙනවා කියන්නේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එකක් හරි blue වෙනවා. ඒතර මේකේ කම්ප්ලිමන්ට් එක තමයි ඔය අහන්නේ. කම්ප්ලිමන්ට් එක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? මේ 56න් මේ 6 අයින් කරන්නේ. Right. So probability of BB dash means 56 subtract 6 means 50. 50 upon 56. So that is the probability. Okay. Right. That is done. Part B. Box containing 6 identical marbles. Right. So I will share the question with you. You can see it. එතකොට අද මේකට සම්බන්ධ නොවුණු අයටත් මේක මම ෂෙයා කරනවා. මොකද මේක ඉතාම වැදගත් පුතා. right ලකුණු 10ම ගන්න පුළුවන් question එකක් probability. හරි. ඒ නිසා ඒක හැමෝම බලන්න ආයෙ පාරක් මේක තේරුම් නැත්නම් ආයෙ බලන්න පුළුවන් recordings දානවා. ඒ නිසා හරියටම මේක ස්ටඩි කරලා මේ ගණන් ටික හදන්න. ඊට පස්සේ exam past papers ගණන් ටිකක් බලන්න. අපි දැන් theory class වල නම් ඔය past papers හදලා තියෙනවා. ආයෙ පාරක් ඒ ටික බලන්න ආයෙ මේක සෙට් වෙනවා. හරි. Right, now part B. A box contains 6 identical marbles, 4 red and rest blue. Right. A marble, 4 red and rest blue. A marble is taken out randomly by Kumara and Ravi, and its color is recorded and it is put back in the box. And its color is recorded and it's put back in the box. ආයකට දානවා. highlight කරගන්න ඕන ඕක. Marble is randomly taken out by Ravi and its color is recorded. Right. එහෙනම් එයා කුමාර අරගෙන රෙකෝඩ් කරලා ආයෙ දානවා කියන්නේ ඒ ගත්ත මාබල් එකම ආය රවිටත් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඇයි ගත්ත එකේ පාට සලකුණු කරලා ආයෙ දානවා. is putting back. If it is not putting back, the R1 is not available in the second case. Same marble is not available, but here available because in back. තොටලුත් දාගන්න. එහෙනම් අපි දැන් මේකේ diagram එක යනකොට here R1, R2, R3, and here R4, and here B1 and B2. And here also R1, R2, R3, R4, B1, B2. Right, here the first row, Kumara, and here we have Ravi. Right. Now see, represent the sample space relevant to this experiment on the grid. Find the probability of Kumara taking blue marble and Ravi taking red marble. So this is the diagram says represent sample space. So both are available, all being filled. Right. All being filled. Right. Okay, that is the sample space. Find the probability of Kumar taking blue marble. Kumar means this axis, blue and Ravi red. Here blue and Ravi red. In a blue red case, මෙන්න මෙතනින් බලන්න. ඒතකොට හරියට නිකන් x coordinate එක b y r වගේ. හේතු x වල තමයි Kumar එන්නේ. එහෙනම් b and r, right, like these are the incidents. Then first one Kumar blue and Ravi red. So these are the events. So how many events belongs to that? 8 events upon the total is here 3, 6, 6, 36. So 8 upon 36. Right. Okay. Then you can simplify 2 and 9. Okay, that is fine. That's the end of fourth question. පැහැදිලිද හැමෝටම? Right. Right, now we are moving to the question number 5. That is okay. මෙන්න මේ question එක ඉතාම වැදගත් question එකක්. බලන්න question එක කියව ගන්න. තමන්ට තේරෙනවද බලන්න. විනාඩියක්. Right. Now see there. ඉතාම හොඳ question එකක්. වෙනස්ම question එකක් බලන්න මේ වගේ එකක් ආවොත් හදාගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Right? There are 5 wood apples in a box. All wood apples are identical. 2 of them are raw and Priyantha takes a wood apple from the box randomly, and if it is ripe, right, then 2 of them are raw, right? Raw 2 and ripe 3, all 5. If it is ripe, he gives to his sister and take another. අන්න කේස් එක දෙකට කඩනවා එකම ඉන්සිඩන්ට් එක ඇතුලේ බලන්න රයිප් එකක් වුණොත් එයාගේ සිස්ටර්ට දෙනවා එතකොට ඊළඟ පාර and take another එතකොට එකක් එක R1 කියන රයිප් එක ගත්තොත් ඊළඟ පාර next time the same R1 is not available, but why is given this in the first case. But if one is row, right, again he takes another one by replacing the first one. එහෙනම් එයා row නොත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ ආයෙ එයා දාලා දෙවෙනියා ගන්නවා. අන්න කේස් එක. right. උත්තර බලමු අපි ඕක හදාන්න. Represent the sample space including all possible outcomes on the following. Right. Hands up those who did this question and taken the answers. Who did get the answer? කවුද මේක හැදුවේ? කවුරුත් නැහැ. right. හොඳට බලා ගන්න ඒ ගානේ වෙන විදිහේ right. So here the sample space are there. So first drone and here second drone. Right. Now see there right 1, right R right 1, right 2, then right 3 and row row 1 and row 2. So these are the sample space of the first drone, second drone, Ri1, Ri2, Ri3, and here row 1, row 2. Okay. So now check the incident. හොඳට බලන්න මෙහෙම ආගියු කළාම හදන්නේ නැත්තම් බැරුව යනවා. ඒතකොට අපිට කියන්නේ ගානේදී if it is right, if it is right, he gives to his sister and take another. එහෙනම් if the first one is right, 1, then for second drone, right, 1 is not available. Why? If it is right, he gives it to his sister. Right, so the R right 1 is not available for second drone. Now RY gattut, I RY නෑ පුතා. Now RY right 1 gattut, right 2 තියෙනවා, ඒව තියෙනවා. අරයා නෑ. උතර බලන්න. ඊට right 2 ගත්තොත් right 1 තියෙනවා, හැබැයි right 2 නැහැ. එහෙනම් අනිත් ඒවා තියෙනවා. The right 3 ගත්තොත් එයා දෙනවා sister ට, he's giving to his sister, so right 3 is not available, others are there. ඔන්න ඔය කේස් එක ඔච්චරයි. හැබැයි දැන් පුරුද්දට හැම එකක්ම ඔහොම යන්නේ නෑ. If it is row, now means first drone roll, right, he put it back to the box. Then if it is row 1, for the second case, right, row 1 is available or not? Yes, available. Why? He's putting back. Right. So now here row 1 is there. So this part is fully completed. If it is row 2 there, then row 2 also available. Right. බලන්න ගන්න. කොටසයි. This part is only been blank. right. බලන්න mix එකක් මේක අපිට හම්බෙච්ච නැති ගානක්. Right, this is a combination of this part is right case, it is not having the same, but if it is row, there. ඔන්න ඕක තවත් ලින්ක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. භාජන දෙකක බෝල තියෙනවා. එකකින් අපි හිතමු රෙඩ් එකක් ආවොත් තමයි ඊළඟ එකට දාලා ගන්න එක. රෙඩ් එකක් ආවේ නැත්නම් ඊළඟ එකකින් ගන්නවා. එහෙම ලින්ක් කරනවා ගණන්. දැන් උතර කේස් එක අයිඩෙන්ටිෆයි කරන්න. This is the sample space. Right. තාම හොඳ ගන්න. Right, now we move to the next part. If anyone didn't get, you can ask. Indicate the event of both drawn fruits being in ripe or raw. Find the probability of the event. Indicate the event of both of drawn fruits being in ripe or raw. Both ripe or raw. Both are being ripe. So how to identify both are being ripe? In this case, both are being ripe. And both are being row means in this case row. So you can combine these, right, in closing in this way. Now check how many events are there. O means having both the sum of these two events. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 events they are out of total. Then count karan total gana. මෙතන එතකොට කීයද 3 6 4 10 12 14 16 and 6 there 22 22යි නේද තියෙන ඔක්කොම. Yes, 10 upon 22, that means 5 upon 11. බලන්න වෙනස්ම ගානක් sample space එක ආවේ 22. උතර මේක ඔළුවේ දාගන්න right. Okay, next one. That is only according to the previous week, right? That's only that question. 5 part A is done. ඒක තේරුම් ගැනීම තමයි වැදගත්ම වෙන්නේ, right? Now we are moving to the part B. Now see the part B. According to the previous reports of Smoke Emission Testing Institute, the owner of the institute said the probability of fail the test by a three-wheeler is 3.8 and the probability of fail test by a motorcycle is 0.7. Complete the tree diagram, don't represent failure of the past test by the three-wheeler came for the smoke emission test. First case, they are asking about the three-wheeler. So this branch relate with the three-wheeler. So you have to write the branch name, that is three-wheeler. Three-wheeler we are taking, then pass or fail. Pass or fail. Right now, see the three-wheeler being passed, how much? The probability. Fail the test by a three-wheeler 3.8. Failing is they are 3.8 means passing is 5 upon 8. Always the sum of these two events 1. Okay, so I have been entered the probability there. Right, now extend the tree diagram to represent the failure passed by motorcycle which came next for this smoke emission. So now the motorcycle, you have to name motorcycle, right? Then see there, pass fail order you followed. Same way, right pass fail, that is better. Don't mix it, fail and pass, because here pass first and fail second. So pass fail. Right, now you can write the probabilities on it. How? See the probability. So by three-wheeler, what is the failing probability of fail the test by a motorcycle is 1.7. Failing motorcycle is 1.7. Then passing is the balance of 7.7. That is 6.7. So here 6.7, passing 1.7, failing. So this is a tree diagram. Remember, mark these branches or label the branches on the top accordingly, right? Then find the probability of failing the test by only one vehicle. Failing the test by only one vehicle. එකක් පමණක් fail වීම. එතකොට මොකක්ද incident එක? First one pass, second one fail. This branch we can take, and here first one fail, second one pass. Means three-wheeler pass, bike fail, or bike fail, three-wheeler fail, bike pass. Only one vehicle fail. Or at least කතාව නෑ, right? So only one vehicle fail. එහෙනම් මේ branches එකේ probabilities here 5 upon 18 to 1 upon 7. That gives you 5 upon 56. Here we have 3 upon 18 to 6 upon 7. That gives you 56, 18 upon 56. Right. No, now they are having these opportunities, so you have to add these probability to 5 upon 56 plus 18 upon 56, 23 upon 56. So that is a probability. Okay. Right. The second one, yeah, that is complete. Now we have the sixth question. Fifth one is done. Now see the sixth one. Right. Kiv Gambalan. right? So there are two red balls, red bulbs and three blue bulbs in a box. All are identical bulbs. A bulb is taken out randomly without putting it into the box. Another bulb is taken out. අන්න එකක් ආපහු දාන්න නැතුව එකක් ගන්නවලු. එහෙනම් අර මැද හිස් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Right, giving it and taking it and not giving back. Right, encircle the element. Right, then අපි බලමු. So what are the elements? There are 2 red and 3 blue. Right. So here we have first taken and here second taken. Right, 2 red bulbs and 3 blue bulbs. So 2 red bulbs are indicated as R1, R2 and blue are B1, B2, B3. Okay, here also R1, R2 and B1, B2, B3, right? 3 blue bulbs. So the first bulb is taken out and they are not putting back and second one is taken. එහෙනම් අපි දන්නවා උද්දටම ඒක පැහැදිලිව පේනවා if R1 taken not available R1 for the second incident because it is not putting back. So others are there. So diagonal is blank. R2 taken, not R2 available. Others are there. B1 taken, B1 is not there. B2 taken, B2 not there. B3 taken, B3 not there. That is the incident. Okay. Now they are saying that encircle the elements of taking the same color bulbs in both time. Same color in both time. Same color in both times mean R and this R would be, and if it is taken blue and the blue for the second case. Right. So if I combine these these are the encircle events. Right, RR and the blue, if you take as the coordinate, RR coordinate and BB coordinates. Right, so how many elements are there encircled here? 3, 3, 6 and 2, 8 upon total cross mark. How many? So here 5 they are and diagonal is blank, then 5 into 4, 20. So 8 upon 20, 2 upon 5. So that is the probability. Okay. Encircle the element of taking same color bulbs in both time. Right, same color both time. Encircle with the right here. Right, part B වලට අපි යමු. See the part B. The incomplete tree diagram of taking the first bulb is as follows. First bulb, ඔන්න බලන්න. First bulb. So they are saying first bulb. So what are the options? Color, either red or blue. Tell me the probability. Red is 2 and total bulb is 5. So 2 upon 5 and here the balance 3 upon 5. ඔන්න දැන් පුතා ආයෙ දාන්න නැත්නම් second case එකේ probabilities are varied. So then red and blue, same mode we are following. Here also red and blue. Then බලන්න when they not putting back එහෙනම් probability එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. Sorry, they are not, yes, not putting back. So the simple way, red 2 bulb there. If I take in the first red, 1 red is less here. Then 2 was there. So now red is 1. එකක් මීට වඩා අඩුයි. යටත් මේකට වඩා එකක් අඩුයි. Because total bulb also 1 less than that. 5 is there. Now here 4. So 1 upon 4. Then here the balance 3 upon 4. Okay. Then blue bulb axis, here 5 blue bulbs. They are now here it becomes 4 blue bulbs and 3 is both. They are 1 taken out. Then now blue becomes 2. Then make I balance make 2 upon 4. Now may I balance 2 upon 4. Make deke ekatu 1. Here sum is 1. Here sum is 1. That is the tree diagram. Complete the tree diagram. The probability of lighting a red bulb is 7, 8. Make it second case එකක් කියලා නෑ incomplete here. Take in the first bulb ගැන විතරයි right, the probability of lighting bulb හරි. මම මේ වැඩි දෙයක් කරේ. ගානේ second bulb එක ගැන කියන්නේ නැහැ පුතා. first bulb එක ගැන විතරයි කියන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ extend කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. දැන් හිතන්නකෝ taking second bulbs also to be indicated, you have to draw as I drawn මේ විදියට අදින්න ඕනේ. දැන් ඊළඟ bulb එකක් ගැන කියන්නේ එක bulb එකක් ගන්නවලු. ඊට පස්සේ they are saying the probability of being lighting a red bulb is 7-8. මෙනම් red එකක් ආවොත් මොනවද options දෙක? lighting දැල් වෙනවා, not lighting ඔන්න red එකේ. අරයාගේ blue එකක් ආවොත් මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? lighting. So the second case lighting, not lighting. Right. Then on the බලන්න වෙනස් probabilities. So they are saying the probability of lighting a red bulb is 7-8. Red එකක් lighting beam 7-8, not lighting කියන්නේ complement, right? So that is the balance 1-8. Sum is 1. Then lighting a blue bulb is and the probability of lighting a blue bulb is 1/5. Now blue එකක් lighting beam 1/5, not lighting is 4/5 because sum is 1. So that is the extension. දැක්කනේ හැම වෙලේම අපි හිතන්නේ මේ probability එක මෙතෙන්ට දානවා කියලා. දැක්කනේ වෙනස් වෙනවා. branch එකෙත් වෙනස් වෙනවා. ඒ වගේම මේ branch එකෙත් වෙනස් වෙනවා. Right. Find the probability of lighting a selected bulb. Lighting. එහෙනම් end වෙන්න ඕනේ කොතනද? lighting here and here lighting. So two parts to be there. It means being a red bulb and lighting and being a blue bulb and lighting. So you have to end up. You cannot take this probability only because to have lighting, you have to come this part. So totally lighting two occasions. So what is the first lighting? Being a red and lighting, like being red lighting L. And here being blue lighting, right? So how to find this probability? Multiply these branch probabilities. So 2/5 into 7/8. And I'm 14/40. Here also 3/5 into 1/5. So here becomes, right, 3 into 1, 3/25. Right. Then what they can කරන්න, they are having not similar denominators. 14/40 plus 3/25. එහෙනම් මේ දෙක මේකට convert වෙනවා විදිහට අපිට 200ට හරවන්න පුළුවන් denominator එක. How? 2 and 200. So we multiply this by 5 and here we can multiply by 8. So here it becomes 70/200 plus here 24/200. Then altogether it gives you 94/200 and further you can simplify by 2. 47/100. So that is the probability. Final probability. A good question. වැදගත්ම ප්‍රශ්නයක් අදාගන්න. doubts තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. Now we are dealing with question number 7. මොනවද ලියා ගන්න අවශ්‍යයි? ලියා ගන්න බලන්න. උද්දම ගණන් සෙට් එකක් තියෙන මෙතන. Right. So the 7th question. මේක හදපු නැති අය ඉන්නවා නම් පුතා ආයෙ පාරක් මේක හදන්න. හරි? ගණන් 8. ලොකු ගණන් 8ක් වෙනස් ගණන් 8ක් තියෙන. හරි? Right. A regular tetrahedron marked number 1 to 4 tossed together with a regular dice marked 1 to 6. Show the results in the given below. The results of both dice and tetrahedron. Right. Name the event A as the equal results obtained in both dice. Right. On the balana, 2 events are there here. Dice 1 to 6 and tetrahedron. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is dice, and here tetrahedron. So what are the 1, 2, 3, and 4? Okay, then so there can be both incidents. එක ලැබුණොත් අරයාගේ එක ලැබෙන්න බැරිද? පුළුවන්. 2, we have both cases, right? So having similar opportunity to both, right? Now we will deal the question. Name the event A as the results obtained in both dice. A as the equal results obtained in both event. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, likewise, right? 3 and 4, right? We can have only 4 this because dice having 6, but here 4 having. So these are the having same events 1, 2, 3, 4 event, that is A equal obtain the dice. Name the event A. Name the event A as the equal results obtained in both sides. Okay. Circle the event getting even number in both dice and tetrahedron. Even number. They came even numbers වැටීම, right? බලන්න even numbers. So here 2, and then this is the A event, right? Then having both even numbers. Here 2 and here 2, maybe here 2 and here 4. Then here 4 and here 2, and here 4 and here 4. Now here 6 and 2, 6 and 4. Mean both having even numbers. So these are the events. Okay. Having both cases, the even numbers. Both dice and tetrahedron, and find the probability of the above event. How to find the probability? How many events are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 upon total is how much? 6, and here 4, 6 into 4, 24. Then 6, 1, 6, 4. So 1 upon 4. Mark the event of getting the sum as 6 in both dice. So, and name it as B. එහෙනම් sum එක 6 වෙන event, right? එකතුව 6 වෙන events මොනවද කියලා බලන්න කියනවා, right? Mark as it as B, right? Sum එක 6 වෙන event මොනවද? Right, sum එක 6 වෙන events වෙන්නේ 1, 4 cannot, 2, 4 years, then 3, 3 years, and 4, 2 years, and 5, 1 years. So these are the events being become, sum is become 6. That is the event B. Okay, mark the event of getting sum as 6 in both dice and name it as B. That is B. මේවා තමයි B. එතකොට are the two events A and B are independent? If so, find A intersection B. එතකොට මේක event එක B. The calling event name the event A equal obtain the dice. Equal avastha මොනවද ඉන්නේ? 1, here 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. Yes, these are independent events, right? So you can multiply the probabilities to find PA intersection B. They are asking PA intersection B. If they are independent, how to find the PA intersection B? See, they are PA intersection B equal PA into PB. Right. So what is the probability of PA? Here A events are there. So what is the PA? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 upon, what is the total sample space? 26, 24. 4 upon 24 into PB means this event 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 upon 24. Then you can multiply 4, 1, 4, 6. 4, 1, 4, 6. So 1 into 1, 1 upon 36. If two events are independent, just multiply the probabilities to have A intersection B. So that is the logic. If independent events A and B, if they are mutually exclusive event, so here is it mutually exclusive event? No. Why? There is an intersection for both events. Events දෙකටම අහු වෙන කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. There shouldn't be an intersection if they are mutually exclusive. So if they ask, is A and B are mutually exclusive events? No, because they have an intersection. If they are having intersection, that is not mutually exclusive event. If mutually exclusive events intersection is zero, so that is the logic for mutually exclusive events. Zero. That means a null set. Mutually exclusive event, independent. This is the concept. PA intersection equal PA into PB. So this is mutually exclusive. If you do not know, you can write mutually exclusive event. Then if they are independent, that is the logic. You can multiply the probability for finding A intersection B. Right. Right, you can write it down. So the next question, we are moving now, the question number 8. Right. So now we are in question number 8. In the back, you can see the right. So in the back, there are 6 identical cards. A multiple of 5 out of the first multiple of 5 is written on each card. The card is in the back. There are 6 identical cards. The multiple of 5 out of the first multiple of 5, right? Is written in each card. The card is taken out from the bag random and noted down its number and return its back to the bag and repeats this process once more. So the sample space of the above experiment on a grid. So make a in the back there are 6 identical cards. So multiple of 5. කියන්නේ පහේ ගුණාකාර ටික ලියලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් මොනවද වෙන්න පුළුවන්? card වල තියෙන numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. එතකොට මේ cards 6 මත numbers ටික set වෙන්නේ 5, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is the first card. First card drawn, and here the second card 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is the card name, right? The second card. So the sample space about the experiment on a grid. Right. So now in the first case, he take the 5 card. So they are putting back, see that wording, right? Card is taken out from the bag at random and noted down its number and return it back to the bag. ආපහු ඒකට දානවා පුතා. එහෙනම් කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Right? If 5 numbered card is taken at first card, now as the second card also it's available. Right? So you can mark these incidents. All the incidents are completed, not blank through the diagonal. Right. Okay. So this is the sample space. So what the question says, on the grid, encircle the event of getting a card containing a multiple of 10 on both occasions and finds probability of the event. Right. Multiple of 10 the both occasions multiple of 10. So here multiple of 10 means here 10, 10 maybe there, 10, 20 maybe there, 10, 30 maybe there. First card 10 and other 10, 20, 30. First card 20, then second one 10, 20, 30. Multiple of 10s. Here 30, 10 and 30, 20 and 30, 30. So these are the multiples of 10s in both scenario, both cases, first card and second card. So how to find the probability? Here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. So 9 upon how many total incidents are there? 3, 6, 6 into 6, 36. Right, 9, 1, 9, 4. Right, 1 upon 4. right? 1/4. පැහැදිලි? Okay, now we move to the part B. If in the above random experiments, the second card is taken out without replacing the first card, I දාන්නේ නැතුව පළවෙනි card එක ගන්නවලු without replacing the first card. If even A is getting only the multiple of 5 and event B is getting only the multiple of 10. Using the above information, complete the tree diagram. First take එකට අහනවා. දැන් පුතා ආපහු දාන්න නැතුව A කියන්නේ taking a multiple of 10 and B is not multiple of 10. First take. Right. First card. බලන්නකෝ දැන් cards තියෙන්නේ මේ ටිකනේ. ඒකේ multiple of 10. Event A is getting only the multiples of 5 and event B is getting only the multiple of 10. Right. Getting only the multiple of 5. Then getting only the multiple of 5. Only. So the 5 වල multiples විතරයි. 10 වල multiples ගන්න බෑ. නම් 5 මොකද 10 වල multiples කියන්නේත් 5 වල multiples තමයි. හැබැයි only වචනේ තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් what are the only 5 multiples out of these cards, 6 cards? 5, 15, 25. 5, 15, 25. Okay, then what is how many? 5, 15, 25. These are the only the multiples of 5. Only the multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30. These are the cards. So how many total cards? 6. Out of that, 3 are only the multiples of 5. That means 3 upon 6. B is multiple of 10. That is 3 upon 6 also. Here, similar cards. Okay, right. Then using the tree diagram, find the probability of multiple only 5, only 1 occasion. Right. The cards දෙකටම අදාළව tree diagram එක අපිට අඳින්න ඕනේ. That is the first card drawn. Right. උතර බලාගෙන ඉන්න second card එකට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Right. Here multiple of 5 only, here only multiple of 10. දැන් හොඳට බලන්න. If it is taken only multiples of 5, right? We had 3 cards. If it is taken a 5 multiple, taken out, not putting back, then 1 is reduced. 3 there, so it becomes 2, and total card also being reduced to 1, 5. අපහු දැන් මෙන්න තවන probability එක වෙන විදිහේ මෙතන එකක් අඩු වෙනවා මෙතනත් එකක් අඩු වෙනවා. දැන් මෙයා fill කරන්න මුකුත් හිතන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. 2 upon 5, then here 3 upon 5. මෙතනත් එහෙමයි blue එකක් හම්බුනොත් blue එකක් මේ මොකද multiple of 10, only multiple of 10. Then 3 there, now it's been deducted 1, reduced 1, and total being reduced 1, 5. So 2 upon 5 here becomes 3 upon 5. Okay, so that is the scenario here. The Ghana Putamiwe, right? So what they ask in the question, using the tree diagram, find the probability of obtaining a multiple of only 5 on only 1 occasion. එහෙනම් only 5 ආවි එකයි A only 5 multiples එයා A එක අවස්ථාවකදී විතරයි එයා not on only 1 occasions. Mean what are the path? Here A and B path, here only 1 occasions A, and here B and A path, here only 1 A occasions. Right, understood? So what is the probability of here AB? That is the 3/6 into, right, 3/5 plus the what is the probability of here BA? 3/6 into 3/5. Now see the answer here, 9 upon 30 plus here 9 upon 30. So 9, 9, 18 upon 30. So you can simplify by 2 9s to 15. Right. Hands up those who are okay with the probability now, who got these sessions clearly today. Right. We completed a big session, right? Probability, surely 10 marks is there if you are alive in the session without sleeping. Huh? Right. Mitra Buddha, session එක හරියටම අල්ලගත්තා නම් ආයේ මේ ගණන් ටිකම ඇති හැමදේම කව වුණා මේ ගණන් වලින්. Right. විවිධ ගණන් තිබුණා. එතකොට මේ සතිය මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ? දැන් මේකෙදි හැදුවේ නැත්නම් යමෙක් මේ ටියුට් එක අනිවාර්යෙන්ම දැන් ඩිස්කෂන් එකේ හිටිය සජීවීව එහෙනම් මේ ටියුට් එකේ හැදපො නැති ගණන් හෝ වැරදුණු ගණන් තියෙනවා නම් අද මේ ගණන් ටික හදන්න. right. ඊ ටික අදම හදලා එතකොට past papers වල probability ගණන් 2016 ඉඳලා ගණන් 6ක් ඇති. ඒ 6 අරගෙන හදාන්න මේ සතියේ. right. එතකොට ආයේ probability බලන්නම ඕනේ නැහැ. හරියටම set වෙනවා. right. එතකොට මොනවද cases තිබුණේ දැන් දැක්කනේ without replacing, without not putting back and putting back, right. replacing, not replacing ඔන්න ඔය වචන මෙයාම ආයි ඉන්නවද ඊළඟ අවස්ථාවට මේ ඉවෙන්ට් එකම වෙනවද කියන එක මනසින් හොඳට කල්පනා කරලා ගන්න ඕනේ. හරි. ඒක වැරදුනොත් ෆික්ෂන් එකම වරදිනවා. හරිද? එහෙනම් හැමෝටම මම හිතන්නේ සෙෂන් එක ඕකේ වෙන්න ඇති. එහෙනම් අපි ජියෝමෙට්‍රි අපිට තව තියෙන හැබැයි සෙට්ස් පාඩම බලමු අපි සෙට් එකක් කවර් කළාම ජියෝමෙට්‍රි වලට යන්න අප්‍රේල් මාසෙම ජියෝමෙට්‍රි ගණන් ලොකු ගණන් හදනවා. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි පුතා අපි ලබන සතිය හම්බෙමු. ඊයේ සෙෂන් එක තමයි අද කරේ. එහෙනම් සුපුරුදු විදියට ඉරිදා next week එකේ අපි මුලගෙන හොඳයි. එහෙනම් good night හැමෝටම. I go on. Thank you very much for this session.